Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms where we share amazing gardening tips. Okra is a heat-loving plant that needs a long growing season to produce its edible fruits. However, okra does grow in all hardiness zones. Check all of the okra varieties and pick the right one for your garden. Else, you'll end up with a failed crop and many inedible, immature pods. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. The biggest concern when it comes to picking okra varieties is your climate. Many okra cultivars have a long growing season, but if you don't have a season length to match, you won't be able to enjoy the okra pods. Hot southern climates. For those who live in the southern countries, you can plant and grow all of the varieties of okra because the growing season is so long. You can grow one long season okra and 2 plants of short season okra. Northern climates, those here will need to pick a short variety that has shorter days to maturity. Also start your seeds indoors to optimize the growing time you have outside before the temperatures get too cold. Typically, the width should match the height, keeping them at a manageable height. In case of limited space, you look for dwarf varieties. Choose short varieties for container garden or small space gardening. Tall or short variety for raised bed outdoor planting. Some varieties are listed as spineless pods. For spine pods okra, you need to wear gloves while handling fresh okra and picking them. The spines will disappear when you put them in boiling water. Don't worry. Spineless or spine does not change the flavor of the pods. Here are the 19 best okra varieties to grow. 1. Blondy. If you're looking for a dwarf okra plant variety that doesn't get too tall, Blondy could be an excellent option for you. Typically, this okra variety only reaches up to 4 feet tall. It produces 3-inch long pods that are spineless and pale green. Blondy is another excellent option for those with a shorter growing season, taking about 50 days to reach full maturity. It works well in container gardens and small plots. 2. Baby Bubba Hybrid. Here is an okra variety known for its small size, which is perfect for small garden plots or container gardening. These plants typically reach 3 to 4 feet tall and 24 inches wide. Baby Bubba produces dark green okra fruits, taking 53 days, on average, to mature. So, if you live in a northern area or somewhere with a colder climate, Baby Bubba is ideal for shorter growing seasons. 3. Burgundy. Here is a variety that isn't a small plant, so it's best only to pick Burgundy okra if you have space for it. The plants typically reach 5 feet in height and 4 feet in width. That's pretty large for a single plant. If you have space, this is one of the okra varieties that is a real showstopper. It has burgundy-colored stems with green leaves that create a gorgeous contrast. The pods on this variety are 6 to 8 inches long, taking 49 to 60 days to reach maturity. 4. Clemson Spineless. Since 1939, when Clemson Spineless won the All-America Selection Award, this okra variety has been the industry standard and the most popular type on the market. It's a favorite amongst gardeners, continuing to top the charts for the most sold each year. It's estimated that 90% of all commercially grown okra is Clemson Spineless. One study found that 1 acre of this variety yields up to 3,989 pods. That's a lot. Clemson Spineless is not a small or dwarf variety. The plants reach 4 feet tall and 4 feet wide. It takes 60 days to reach maturity. The pods are spineless, dark green, slightly curved, and up to 9 inches in length. 5. Bowling Red. Who doesn't love an heirloom plant that has a history behind it? Bowling red okra began by the Bowling family of Virginia in the 1920s. Since it originated closer to the southern states, it is a long growing season variety, taking up to 65 days to mature. Remember, that's in ideal conditions. Bowling red plants grow up to 8 tall with deep red stems that make this a real showstopper. The pods are long and thin, and gardeners remark that these are more tender than your average okra pod. 6. Cajun Delight. Are you still looking for the perfect short-growing season okra variety? Cajun Delight is a hybrid okra plant that takes up to 55 days to reach full maturity. This plant reaches up to 4 feet tall, so it's not ideal if you want to grow okra in containers. The pods on this variety are dark green, measuring 3 to 5 inches long with a slightly curved shape. 7. Jing orange. One of the most popular varieties of okra is Jing orange that produces a lovely deep reddish-orange, colorful pod. If you like plants that are strikingly beautiful while also producing a fantastic harvest, Jing orange matches your desires. It's a Chinese heirloom variety that grows 6 to 8 inch long pods early, even if you live in dry conditions. Gardeners remark that these pods are incredibly tender once cooked in a dish. The plants themselves aren't too long nor too small. They measure 5 to 6 feet tall, so in the middle of the possible ranges. You could prune them to keep it on the smaller side if you prefer to grow these in containers. 8. Go big. It's hard not to appreciate a double-duty plant offering edible, delicious fruits and looking gorgeous while doing so. Go big okra is perfect for those who like ornamental plants with a purpose. These plants are tall, typically reaching up to 7 feet tall and 5 feet wide. It's not a variety if you want to grow okra in containers unless you have a massive pot for them. Go Big produces dark green pods that are about 7 inches long, and it takes up to 65 days to reach full maturity. 9. Cowhorn. If you live in the south and have a longer growing season, cowhorn okra can be an ornamental plant for you as well. It's a large heirloom that takes up to 90 days to reach maturity. How large is large? Cowhorn plants can reach up to 14 feet tall, seriously. To match, the pods are enormous as well, reaching up to 14 inches in length with a curved shape. 10. Emerald. Emerald okra is an open-pollinated heirloom variety of okra developed by the Campbell's Soup Company in the 1950s. How cool is that? These are not ideal plants for someone who wants to grow okra in containers. They can reach up to 8 feet tall. The pods grow up to 7 inches in length with a smooth, dark green color. It takes up to 60 days for this plant to reach full maturity. 11. Star of David. This variety of okra originated as an Eastern Mediterranean heirloom seed, reaching up to 7 feet tall or higher. That's right, this plant can be even taller than that, so Star of David okra is not recommended for small space gardening or containers. This plant has purplish leaves and fat pods that take up to 75 days to reach maturity. That's why it's recommended as a cultivar for southern gardeners to grow. It's right on the cusp of being too long for short-season gardeners. It's not a spineless variety. In fact, it has more spines than average, but those do boil off, so don't worry. 12. Jambalaya Okra. This is a productive but compact okra variety that is awesome for growing pods that work well for canning and other preservation methods. The pods measure about 5 inches long that are really meaty and take 50 days to reach maturity. That means it's a fantastic option for northern gardeners or southern gardeners who want 2 harvests. If you want to be the first in your neighborhood with fresh okra, Jambalaya will earn you that title. Since these plants are compact, typically measuring 4 feet tall, you could grow them in containers if you wanted. The plant starts to produce pods as soon as it's 2 feet tall. 13. Burmese. Here is an heirloom variety of okra that originated from Burma or Myanmar. It's an early producing cultivar that takes about 53 days to produce its harvest. Burmese okra plants start to produce when the plants are about 18 inches tall, and they'll continue to bear fruit until the first frost hits in your region. Burmese plants have huge leaves that measure up to 16 inches across. The pods grow up to 12 inches long, slender-looking, and curved while being virtually spineless. As the pods mature, they change from light green to a yellow-green. 14. Alabama Red. If you want to see a plant grow at a crazy fast rate and produce its harvest in a short time frame, Alabama Red okra is the plant for you. It can reach maturity in as little as 50 days, and it grows to a height of 5 to 7 feet tall. These plants produce abundantly, yielding fat red and green pods. The stems and leaf veins are red to match the pods. You'll love these pods, they're delicious fried or pickled fresh. 15. Perkins long pod. Perkins is an heirloom variety with a shorter growing season, taking only 55 days to reach full maturity. It works well for northern and southern gardeners. Perkins long pod plants reach about 5 feet in height, bearing straight green pods that measure 4 inches long. 16. Silver Queen. Silver Queen okra is a variety that loves the southern states, thriving in the heat of summertime. It doesn't like cold weather at all. Silver Queen is one of the okra varieties that takes longer to mature, typically about 80 days. That's another indicator that this cultivar does better in warmer climates with a long growing season. It's an heirloom variety that can reach up to 6 feet tall, producing ivory green pods that measure 7 inches long. 17. Red Velvet. This okra variety produces plants that grow up to 5 feet tall and 4 feet wide, so they're on the border of being an acceptable size for small space gardening. Some people say that they fit well in containers, but you will need a large pot to hold them. Red velvet okra produces scarlet red pods that are ribbed and reach up to 6 inches long. It takes about 55 to 60 days to reach full maturity. 18. Louisiana Green Velvet. Here is another open-pollinated, heirloom variety of okra that produces large plants. Louisiana green velvet plants can be up to 8 feet tall, producing 8 inches long, dark green, and spineless pods. This plant makes quite a statement in your garden since it will be taller than you, but it produces abundantly. One study showed that an acre of this cultivar yields up to 3,826 of okra pods. That's close to the yield produced by Clemson Spineless. 19. Hill Country Red. As you might have guessed from the name, this variety produces red okra pods instead of green. It's an heirloom seed created in the Texas Hill Country. The plant reaches an average of 6 feet tall, which adds an exciting look along with producing delicious fruit. Hill Country Red takes about 64 days to mature, producing green fruits with red tinges throughout that measure up to 6 inches long. I think choose for the short variety, early maturity varieties as my region experience only about 5 months of hot climate. What is your take on this? Let us know which varieties you will choose for your region and why. Leave your opinion in the comment section below. Picking the right type of okra looks easy. As you can see, the myth that only southern gardeners can grow okra is false. Make sure you plant okra when it's warm outside. You might need to wait a few weeks after the last frost in your region to be sure that the frost's risk is gone. Pick one or more of the best okra varieties for your garden based on your growing season, type of garden you have, and what kind of okra you want. We hope you're enjoying our content. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Cheers!